it's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Like a cloud in the sky, with the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want to world see is still coming true, it's vision for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see.